Archean Chemical Industries Ltd, a specialty chemical manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 2009, and they got listed on NSE and BSE in 2022. Their corporate office is located in Tamil Nadu, with an additional one office in Gujarat. Company has more than 600 employees. They have one integrated manufacturing plant located in Hajipir, Gujarat, encompassing area of 240 square kilometers. The market cap of the company is 8,933 crore rupees, and currently trading at 724 rupees per share. The company has a 33% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 133% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost debt-free, which is a good sign. 3 main products of the company are bromine, sulfate of potash, and industrial salt, which are used in diverse industries for various applications. About 50% of the revenue is generated from bromine production, 49% from sulfate of potash, and less than 1% from industrial salt. The current production capacity is 28,500 metric tons per annum for bromine, 1,30,000 metric tons per annum for sulfate of potash, and 30 lakh metric tons per annum for industrial salt. The revenue of the company is highly dependent on exports, about 48% for bromine, 100% for sulfate of potash, and 70% for industrial salt. It is important to note that the revenue concentration of the company from its largest customer is 28%, 64% from its top 10 customers, and 81% from top 20 customers, showing high dependency on fewer clients. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no significant drop in promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Sojats Corporation, Shandong Tianyi Chemical Corporation, Qatar Vinyl Company Limited, Wanhao Chemicals, Unibrom Corporation, and more. Coming to some key highlights. Company is market leader in bromine exports. Company is setting up a new bromine derivative plant, with production capacity of 28,000 metric tons per annum, which is expected to be completed by the end of this year. Company have one wholly owned subsidiary, Archean Chemicals Private Limited. They have 52 customers, 27 from global, and 25 from domestic market. Company exports to more than 10 countries, like Japan, China, South Korea, Belgium, Qatar, Netherlands, and more, with a revenue concentration of 73% from exports, and 27% from domestic. This has been a quick analysis of Archean Chemical Industries Ltd. Please share and like the video, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.